Welcome back, beautiful babes. We have made it midway nearly of Facial February. So today I just wanted to give you all a bonus. And yes, we are almost 14 days in. So today we are not scrubbing, we are not steaming, nor are we masking. Today, we are refreshing. If your skin has been feeling dull, tight, or your makeup just isn't sitting right, your skin may not be dirty, it may be dehydrated and unbalanced. And this is where rose water becomes magic. Rose water is one of the oldest skincare secrets in the world. Women have used it for centuries because it gently restores the skin instead of stressing it. Mature skin especially loves gentle care. Today we're doing a rose water refresh facial. The simplest facial you'll ever do, but one of the most powerful. When skin loses its natural pH balance, it can look tired, feel tight, absorb products poorly, show lines more. Rose water helps bring your skin back to calm. The moment you missed it, your skin literally relaxes. You don't wipe it off. You don't rinse it off. You let your skin drink it. Notice I'm pressing it in, not rubbing. Mature skin doesn't need friction. It needs nourishment. Within minutes, your skin looks softer, plumper, more awake, and naturally radiant. This is also the step many people skip. It's why their serums don't work well. Hydrated skin absorbs skincare. Dry skin rejects it. This facial is perfect. Morning, before makeup, after cleansing, anytime your face feels tired. Sometimes skincare isn't about doing more, it's about restoring what your skin is missing. And today, we gave our skin balance back. And the benefits of rose water are amazing. Restores natural skin pH, instant hydration, helps calm redness and irritation. It softens the appearance of fine lines, refreshes tired skin, helps skincare absorb better, gentle for sensitive and mature skin, light antibacterial cleansing effect, and cooling and soothing. And to apply it, again, cleanse your face first. This rose water came in a spray bottle, but if you don't have one and you have a big bottle of rose water or rose hydrosol, just pour it into a fine mist spray bottle like this one. You can hold it about 8 to 10 inches from your face and lightly mist 3 to 5 sprays. Gently press into your skin with your hands. Follow immediately with your serum or moisturizer. I recommend applying it to slightly damp skin for best hydration results. Now, what's great about rose water? You can use it daily, morning and night, before makeup, after cleansing, during the day for a refresh, after sun exposure, before applying your serums. It's safe for everyday use.
Lifting each other higher. Steam on the way.